Tired of manually piecing together Runway videos? In this video, I'll show you how to automate merging to Runway videos into one seamless video using N8n, saving you time and boosting your video editing workflow. First, let's kick things off with the Start node, which triggers our workflow. This node doesn't require any configuration. It simply initializes the process. Next, we will download the first Runway video. Drag and drop a Runway node into your workflow. Set the action to download a video. Insert the unique video ID of your first Runway video. Specify the destination file name as video1 mp4. Repeat the previous step for the second video. Add another Runway node. Set the action to download a video and input the video ID for your second Runway video. This time, name the destination file video to mp4. Now for the magic. Incorporate the FFmpeg node and set the command to merge in the input files field. List video1 mp4 and video2 mp4 separated by a comma, then define the output file as merge_video. For this node combines your two downloaded Runway videos into a single file. Almost there. To upload your newly created merged video back into Runway, add one more Runway node. This time, set the action to upload video. Specify the video file path as merge_video. 4. Run the workflow. N8n will now automatically download your two Runway videos, merge them using FFmpeg, and upload the combined video back to Runway. And there you have it, a fully automated workflow to merge your Runway videos, streamlining your editing process. Subscribe for more N8n automation tutorials.